If I challenged you to chop down a tree and handed you an axe, what would you do first? Would you start swinging, or would you take a moment to sharpen the edge? The allegory about sharpening your axe before going to work emphasizes the importance of preparing yourself before taking on a task to increase your efficiency and effectiveness. Good sleep is a form of preparation that can improve your productivity and performance. Just as a sharp axe can cut wood more effectively, a well-rested mind and body can accomplish tasks more efficiently. Getting quality sleep is crucial for success, just as sharpening your axe is necessary to be a good woodsman.